Hello everyone, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also pretty good by grace of Almighty Allah. At first, I introduce myself. My name is Abul Hasnat Naim. You call me Hasnat, it's my nickname. I read in class 10 in Suramganj Gov Jubilee High School, and it is situated in Suramganj town. I am also a student of AR English Academy. Now I want to talk about my today's topic. My today's topic in my family. So without much delay, let's go started. My family is very important to me. They are my father, mother and sister. My father's name is MD Jamal Hussain and he is an immigrant. He is honest and kind person. My mother's name is Taslima Begum and she is a housewife. She is like a friend to me. Both of them take care of my family. My sister name is Naima Akhtar and she is a student of class 5. Her school name is Suramganj Gov Rajgobindo Primary School.